Hi.
How do you do this?
I think we're washed. Like, how do you podcast again?
Yeah, I think we should just stop.
So I think
Okay, bye.
for the viewers back home, nag-time travel kami. So, nagka-time dilation and we actually haven't seen each other in about 25 years.
Yeah.
So, we don't even know if, we don't know how to act around each other anymore.
Like, who are you?
Hi.
Yeah.
Then we had our own side quests in life, It was getting too basic na magkasama kami. So, we explored and had our own adventures. And
That's true.
now we're back with our many stories
That's true.
and lessons and things to share with each other.
And you all.
And with you also. So,
No place like this.
yeah. The previous episode, we don't look like this. Literally, wala akong beard.
You might not recognize us.
Oh, wala.
So ano yan? Dami nangyari since the last time we had our...
We've lived 1,000 lives
1,000?
since the last podcast episode.
Totoo. How are you guys? How was your side quest?
Side quests. Kamo ba mauna? I've been in vegan. Come to vegan, guys.
Tourism ambassador?
Yeah, libre ko kayo. Yeah, I was just in vegan, typical, summer provincial life na sobrang init sa labas, na nakakapaso na hawakan yung door pagpapasok ka ng door, paglabas mo ng, it's like a sauna in a bad way. Tapos, pero at least advantage is like mango overload, fruits overload, lahat ng summer fruits.
May season ba dun? Like, anong fruits yung popular or like, yung tipong
Mango
makikita
talaga.
mo sa ligid ng highway?
Mango talaga. Tapos parang, yung mga ibang friends na meron na silang mango farms. They're kanya-kanyang mango farms. Parang nagbibigayan na ng mango. Like, super, I have never eaten so much mango in my life.
I never knew
Until
that.
this year.
I never knew na ganun karami yung mango sa vegan. Or Ilocos.
Feel ko everywhere
Dude, I
in
think
the Philippines.
I think it's a national
Pero
level
parang
occurrence.
Sa amin, sa Leyte, not as...
Not as much.
Pero I think kasi, hindi ba mango is... They prefer yung
Dry.
hotter, dry.
Yeah. Sa Leyte kasi maulan. Is
Yeah,
that it?
Walang yung climate dun. Wala siyang tag-init.
Hindi siya.
It's just rainy and less rainy.
Damn.
I see.
It's like in the UK.
Yeah. Parang may nakita ko.
London.
When was that? Like last month or maybe a couple months ago.
Mm-hmm.
Parang may map of the Philippines with the different like climate areas. Tapos parang nakita ko lang. I was like, okay, dito meron talagang like summer and then yung rainy season. Tapos pagtingin ko sa eastern side of the Philippines, just like rainy and less rainy.
No.
Talaga?
Oo.
I think sa vegan, it's just like hot 90% of the time. Tapos, meron lang siguro mga ilang days na uulan siya. But then, after that, sobrang init pa rin.
Yeah.
And like, mas malala yung init doon kaysa dito sa Manila. Kasi dito, you have buildings na may shade. Pero sa vegan, everything's low-rise. So, pag lumabas ka, scorching sun agad.
Diretso.
It's
But don't you have a lot of trees? For shade?
Some areas, pero kasi yung mga trees, yung areas na maraming trees, yun yung mga like, farms na and like residential areas.
Damn.
Pero pag yung nasa city, vegan city ka, na
I've been,
yung center.
I remember.
Center. Yeah, yung sa may Crisologo din, you walk along Crisologo and it's just hot.
And it's all cobblestone.
Yeah. Well, at least,
Wow.
yung perk dun is like cobblestone and everything. Pero grabe yung singaw ng amoy ng horses. Ganon. So like,
because of the heat.
Vegan, so
Oh,
fragrant.
interesting.
It's hot. It's a hot time.
You're
Yeah.
dito, basta may puno ka ng mangga, wala. Abundance na.
Yeah.
Abundant. Damn.
And then, to me, parang 50-50 talaga yung like mainit and tag-init, tag-ulan. Or maybe 60-40. Like 60 hot, 40.
Dito sa Manila?
Yeah. San pa ba?
I mean, fair. But,
And then you have like those windy, cool months.
that's,
Like in Feb and March.
although I feel like the Manila life, medyo yung sun, hindi siya ganun ka imminent kasi you spend most of your time indoors pa rin. Like lalabas ka lang like in transit ganyan, or like you rarely stay in parks, like you rarely stay in
We don't
outdoor
have parks.
areas. Yeah, exactly. So hindi ka masyadong forced under the sun.
Yeah. Ako, mako-compare ko. If you're comparing sun, ako yung level of rain as coming from the Leyte. Just rain, man. Actually, Region 8 in general. Just a lot of rain. Dito, yung parang grabe rainy na. And na-experience ko to. I think yung culture shock ko was nung lumipat ako dito for college. Tas people were like, grabe, ang lakas ng ulan na and stuff. And then, not like, tapos ako parang, this is like everyday. Na parang,
wala to.
Yun lang.
Hindi naman.
Ito na yun.
Wisik lang to
Yeah, not discounting the experiences of people getting flooded and all of that. It's really more of yung my experience lang coming from a place na palagi talagang umuulan. Like, not a day goes by na may parang at least 1 hour of rain. Kasi it's Pacific eh.
Talaga?
Like, there's nothing there. So, everything na nag-evaporate and accumulate ng from the Pacific Ocean. Diretso. Like, kami yung unang dump before it goes to Cebu. Before it goes
Meteorology lesson right here.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
So, you're learning something. Pero,
I'm learning something.
I'm also learning something.
yeah. Pero yun yung comparison ko. Like, going back, parang dito the rain, it was wild na parang, parang bare months na. Pero, okay. It's not as much nung na-experience ko before.
And so less fruit?
Ibang
Bears?
fruits.
Like what?
Ibang fruits. Like hindi yung mga trees na hindi need ng
Water?
ng
The
water
sun?
as much. Oo.
Like what?
Coconut.
Meron din dun sa may Ormoc, may plantation dun ng mga pineapple. So we got a lot of mga pineapple. Yun yung type na if you drive down, may makikita ka lang nag-park sa tabi na parang
yung mga na-stalls ng nagbebenta ng fruits.
If sa inyo it's mango. Mga mangga.
Yeah.
Sa amin may mga pineapple.
I see.
Yep.
Okay. Dude, just to go back, revisit the mango in the room. So, ang dami naming mangoes this year. Wala lang, yung may puno ng mangga. Meron kaming puno ng mangga, pero like nang bibigay din yung mga friends, families, like just, kasi masyadong talagang marami, pinapamigay na rin namin, pero we still receive some. Nagiging creative na kami, like, oh my God, how do we eat this? How do we eat? Ang dami masyado. So parang,
Mango recipes.
Oo, exactly. So now we're like, let's look up what we can make with mangoes. So, dude, gumawa na kami ng mango float, ng mango ice cream, ng mango shake. Talagang lahat na.
Mango Graham.
Mango
everything.
What about mango in a savory, Parang, wala pa.
Parang salsa.
Parang
gano'n.
salsa type
Would
na.
be nice.
Wala pa.
Would be
Hindi,
nice.
I don't know. We like mango like, siya
As a
dapat yung
dessert.
star.
Siya yung star.
Oo.
Hindi siya pang
Kasi masarap naman eh. She's
Yeah,
like the
yeah.
star. She can't be like a supporting actor.
And this is the ripe mango, no? Hindi
Yeah,
parang
ripe mango.
yung mga hilaw na mangga na.
Meron
Meron din.
I like Indian mango.
Indian
yeah,
mango.
Yeah.
I like that. I like those.
Yeah.
But
Masarap
yeah.
Yeah,
Yung-
minsan nga at the same time
Kalabaw.
sa serve parang ito for dessert pero meron ka ding like munchies na like green mango or like Indian
Green mango na tapos may bagoong.
bagoong. Oh my god. Masarap. Still
Yeah.
so good. May ice cream na ganun eh. I don't know if na-try niyo sa Katip before.
Bagoong.
Bagoong
meron
ice
sa
cream?
Katip. No. Okay. Green mango ice cream
Okay.
and they serve it with bagoong. Merong maliit na side na bagoong. Although optional naman yun, pero part ng experience is you eat the green mango
So-
ice cream.
Para tayo inisip bagoong ice cream. Like, wow.
Sa legit,
I'm not ready for
sa
that.
Katip yun before sa Regis. Merong stall doon na
Yeah,
ice cream.
I remember.
Kasi iba yung flavors nila, may halo-halo ice cream,
Oo.
may
Parang weird eh. But like in a...
unique ice cream
Mango.
flavors.
Yeah.
Haven't tried, but it sounds interesting.
Hindi ko rin siya
Definitely
na-try.
more interesting than
Yeah.
bagoong ice cream.
Ay, what if?
What if? Bagoong ice cream, no?
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
I eat my mangoes with salt, not bagoong. Sorry, Indian mangoes.
Oh!
Pero din, parang
Salt
same flavor profile na something salty to.
Salt.
That's
Oh.
true. I feel like yung ganong version ko is yung singkamas. Kasi diba usually singkamas with suka and diba? And salt.
Mm.
Pero pag may mga times na wala akong access sa Singkamas, tsaka mas madaling makahanap ng apple. Apple and suka. I don't know if you've tried.
I haven't, but
It sounds like it makes sense, I feel.
pero yung description, parang may mga apple, di ba, apple
Cider,
apple
mga
cider
ganun,
na type.
oo.
So parang it's apple, pero may sour.
Maasim,
na-
oo. Ganun
So,
yung
not ano
vibe
naman.
niya.
Doesn't,
Raw ingredients tayo.
Yes. Hindi pa siya cider. It's like before it becomes apple cider.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sa mga fruits, which, ano yung mga parang go-to nyo?
Go to
Like, let's
fruit.
say, maybe it's because, let's say, mango is abundant. Or for me, let's say, pineapple. Yun yung magiging ano. Pero, just curious. Like,
I have
ano
a
yung,
ready answer.
what's yours?
Like, it has always ever been banana.
What? Favorite mo?
Favorite!
Oh my God, I'm a banana
Saging.
hater.
Oh my God! I love banana.
What? Ako specifically, latundan. The small,
Yung
the
yeah,
small
yeah,
white
yeah.
sweet ones.
Ah.
Kasi, it's baby food. And it's so, and we've talked about this in the previous, like, food episode. Ayoko yung mahirap, yung maraming effort para lang makakain ka. Yung mangga, kailangan mo pang hiwain. Tapos may buto pa. Mangoes,
Debatable.
you
Daming
feel
ano
it and you bite it, walang buto, you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, yung buto. Fair
Oh, yung
point.
buto.
Okay, we're gonna make an access about this later and like the whole experience of eating a
That's-
fruit and like how rewarding it
That's
is.
my answer. Why do you hate bananas, dude?
I just don't like it. Hindi ko gusto yung
Any,
ano.
kahit saba?
Like if it goes with like saba con yelo, ganun, okay lang.
Oh,
Pero
oh.
hindi ako nagpapalagay ng saba. Usually nga pag halo-halo, hindi ako nagpapalagay ng saba eh.
Guys,
What's wrong
matagal
with
na
you?
kaming friends, pero we still discover new things on each other.
Ewan ko. Pero in general kasi, pag yung usual na banana, baka nagsawa na lang din ako kasi yun yung like every meal, literally, sa bahay, yun yung dessert.
So, pero
nandyan na
you
siya.
grew up eating it.
Yeah,
Nakikita sa akin
siguro
siya.
dati parang tinatry ko. But then, you know, ewan ko, hindi na siya masyadong thrilling for me. Gusto ko yung ano eh.
Yung may thrill?
Gusto mo yung may thrill?
Wow!
Naghanap ako ng fruit na may thrill. Guys, kung may maisip kayong fruit na may thrill, pa-comment. Kasi si
Most
Sam
likely, I like
naghahanap
it.
ng fruits na may thrill.
Yun
Thanks.
yung hindi mo alam kung masarap o hindi hanggat buksan mo. Gano'n.
Yeah,
May thrill.
gotcha.
Blind box. Oh.
Blind box fruit. Sino yung may banana na pag peel mo, watermelon. Pula.
What if? Okay, kung may ganong banana, that would be more interesting to me than a
Oh
normal
my God.
dinner table banana.
Yung mga ano dyan, mga entrepreneurs, techpreneurs, whatever. Ito yung idea. Gotcha banana. Gotcha nana. Gotcha nana.
Bananacha.
Bananacha. Every time pagbukas mo, they all look the same outside. Pero every time bubuksan mo, like, oh my God, mangga pero buo liso.
Yun na yung first desk merch natin. Actually, like yun na yun.
Na-trademark na namin yun. Patented.
Para then.
Yeah.
So gotcha banana? Or
Gotcha ba? No, my
Bananacha.
favorite's always been mango talaga. Kaya like,
Kalabaw.
manggacha?
manggacha.
Hindi,
That's
pero
so amazing.
Hindi siya nag-work
Write
sa
that down.
gotcha mechanic eh. That's to be
Oo
like,
nga kasi,
there's an opening.
oo.
Well,
Well, to be fair,
alam mo rin, alam
you
mo
never
rin.
slice a blind
That's
box.
true. That's true. But you can peel a mango.
Ganon na rin yun.
Ganun na rin yun.
Iwa-
Okay,
Yeah,
so,
pwede na rin.
Okay,
hindi
so
lang kung
we will-
sira o hindi.
we will ask,
Kulang.
which merch do you want? Bananacha? Or manggacha?
Manggacha. Gusto ko yung manggacha.
Ay,
Kasi parang siyang manong gacha.
Manggacha!
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 Si Panggat.
Manggacha, may saging ka ba?
Yeah,
God.
yeah.
Okay,
Yun
okay.
na.
So,
Banana, mango.
mango. For me, banana din.
Favorite fruit as in like number one?
Sorry. Go to fruit.
Go to.
Oo.
Just because yun yung pinaka-accessible eh. So like even supermarket palengke parang palaging may banana. Mangoes nga minsan wala.
Oo. Seasonal
Especially if
kasi.
hindi
Oo.
out of season. No? So yun. And then although pineapple, maraming pineapple sa amin. Parang hindi rin siya naging ano sa akin, patok. Because before yung feelings, yung nasusugatan yung ano mo, yung dila. Like that's part of the process when you're eating pineapples.
Huh? Nasusugatan yung dila?
Oo. Yeah.
Paano nyo kinakain?
Hindi, when it gets
Hindi,
ano,
kasi masyado siyang
Acidic.
It's too acidic. So,
acidic and rough.
Yung skin lang ng
gets.
tao mo. Hindi pa lang
Hindi naman na ano no. May dugo.
Dumudugo na yung mga.
No, pero I don't know if you know that feeling you after eating pineapple. Like you enjoy it sa start, like, oh, it's so sweet, juicy. Pero after, parang your tongue feels weird kasi may malilit na sugat na siya from the fiber.
Oh, I haven't eaten that much
maybe
pineapple in one sitting
maybe it's
siguro.
a quantity.
Yeah. Baka, oo.
Pero
I
yun.
do like pineapple. Like, mas gusto ko siya kaysa banana.
Okay. Yeah. So,
banana.
yan, banana for me. Parang yun din, like, parang I felt like hindi kompleto yung meal ko growing up if walang banana after.
I see.
So parang yung sweet na like instead
yung
of like
dessert
chocolate,
mo.
banana. So parang it feels weird. And then nadala ko siya now. Like even if when I'm living here, parang whenever nag-weekly groceries ako, I try to buy bananas para yun yung kompleto yung meal ko for me.
I see. Oh, ganun. Like, lagi din siyang available sa bahay. Baka yun, kaya ko siya ini-ignore.
Yeah. And as a kid, it's the easiest. Like, I don't have to ask anyone. Especially yung hindi ka pa pwede gumamit ng knife.
Yeah.
So, ikaw, kaya mong buksan, kukuha ka lang dun sa mesa. Buksan mo.
Gets. So, like, high reward. Low effort, high reward.
Yeah. And it's sweet.
No, I want to argue na it's just so abundant. So, it's easy. Like, nagiging factor yun, I think. Because we're so easy to expose to it. Compared to, ano ba?
Well, tropical
strawberries.
Oh, well.
Kunyari,
yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Some people love that, but it's just hard to get unless you're in Baguio or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah, isa pa
Might
yan,
be
strawberries. Parang never akong na-hook din until like later in life. Kasi nung bata ako, like never din ako masyado na. Like, walang strawberries sa Ilocos. Unless nga pumunta sa Baguio. But then, kahit yung mga strawberry flavored stuff, parang hindi rin ako naging fan of it. But then, I don't know, in terms of like, effort to reward ratios, parang hindi worth sa akin yung effort ng. Well, I'm approaching this in a strawberry picking angle because that's where I've experienced na like pick strawberries tapos super high reward siya. Pero parang
hit or miss din siya eh, even if you're not picking it. Kung bibili ka yung nasa grocery.
hindi siya laging
tapos
masarap.
palaging yan, nakabox na din.
Gacha din yan eh.
Gacha din eh. And more often than not, half lang dun yung parang good
good
talaga.
Strawberries.
Oh, I feel that way with avocados.
With avocado.
Like gacha rin.
Gacha.
Like when it's good, like it's really
Very
good.
good.
Pero pag medyo siya, yung mabuhok or like may konting like brown stuff, parang like hindi ka na ganun ka-happy.
And then parang rin siya no kasi it looks big pero a big part of it is yung seeds.
True.
So parang and then nagva-vary pa yung size ng seeds. So minsan sobrang konti na lang niya from the yung sa labas.
Parang balot lang.
Ang nipis lang ng
Parang
yung
balot.
gacha talaga yun.
Gano'ng kaliit yung sisiu.
Actually, from what we're talking about, parang
we should do a scale. No?
Ano yung axis na nun?
I feel like wait, yung isa is like effort ba? Effort nga ba?
Effort.
Like
effort
or
experience
eating like fruit eating
the
experience.
user experience.
User experience ng
The UX of fruit.
The UX of fruit. That's x-axis.
Okay.
And then y-axis is reward. Reward, like how rewarding it is. So ano ba example ng from what we've spoken about? Ano example ng let's say high reward and low effort?
Banana. Definitely in the
banana.
Hindi lang siya rewarding for me. As a hater.
Sorry.
Reward is not preference. Reward is just
true.
how like what you get out of it. Like marami
okay,
ba siyang
fine. It's
laman.
nutritious.
Kung may lamang man siya, natatanggalin mo lang. Hiwain mo lang.
Yeah, UX reward
okay,
is
fair.
very straightforward yung pagka-design ng
At saka yung hindi mo kailangan magbuto, hindi mo kailangan. Okay, fair.
When they released it, isang version lang siya. If you think about it, it was so good. Wala na siyang new version, guys. Wala na siyang like iPhone 11 or iPhone.
Walang patch
Wala.
notes.
Fruit yung may version.
Oh, wait. Ano ba yung fruit na?
Fruit yung may version.
Grapes. Kasi may seeds talaga yun. So may mga kailangan ko ng seedless grapes.
No, but banana
started out. There's
na may seed.
I went into this
Iba
rabbit
naman
hole.
yung evolutionary sa ano.
No, that's human,
No,
ano.
it's human. The banana,
Bioengineered.
oo, parang nag-rabbit hole ako nito, like in one YouTube explainer video.
No way.
Na nagiging crisis din siya ngayon because wala nang seeds. Kasi like yung mga banana species, wala nang seeds. So, how do you plant it?
How do you plant bananas?
Diba? Diba, it gets harder unless you do like yung ano na very like may intervention ka na talaga gagawin to like get more bananas. But anyway, so
It's
fun
not
fact.
impossible.
Hindi yun natural evolution. It was engineered na wala nang seeds.
The long way.
Okay, so I'll take it back. They had a version 2. So what we're experiencing now is version 2.
Yeah.
Yung maliit
B2 na
seed.
walang seeds yung bananas. Because
What?
dati,
I
di ba
learned
parang
today,
scattered yung, like
Pero
malalaki yung
have you
seeds in that.
eaten yung
Malalaki.
Malaki
Oo.
yung seeds
May
nila
ibang
before.
na-experience ko na yung mga banana na may seeds talaga.
Oh!
Oo. Na parang minsan, meron pa rin malaki
Gets yung mga saba.
Oo.
Yung saba.
Oo. Hindi, pati yung parang...
Lakatan.
Yakatan man.
Really?
Oo. Anyway.
I didn't know. May version 2 nga pala.
So the
ng
ones that you
saging.
see, yung mga dots, yun yung seeds na niya now. Kasi
maliit!
Yeah, because it
Yeah.
was engineered na.
And it's like edible.
Yeah.
You don't notice it.
No way. I never knew her.
Yeah.
Flash picture of banana with seeds in this
Seeds.
photo.
Dude.
And put links below for the source. And I'm not spreading fake news.
Damn. And I thought I knew her so
Okay.
well.
Okay, so but
May dark past
Okay.
pala siya.
UX experience-wise, very easy
Good.
experience.
Yeah.
Like, you have like a 2-year-old baby, show it to them, and then
They won't die.
They won't
choke
die.
and die.
They won't choke and die.
Yeah, they can eat
Unless
the banana
kainin
themselves.
nila yung banana peel. But that's a different story.
Diretso na.
That's a different story.
Yeah.
Hindi yan intended. Hindi yan
But like, user experience, very good. Positive side, definitely. And then yung reward, not the highest. Because it's not like
the best fruit ever. Like,
Oo.
I don't know, debatable. Some people might.
It's the laman you
Hindi.
get.
Oo.
The ratio of
Okay,
how much
okay,
you get
fine.
out of it. Okay, hater.
Ayoko
Okay.
na siya bigyan ng higher, but it's
ano,
okay.
sige. So that's yung mga na-mention natin na fruits, unahin natin.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
banana
yeah.
is there, like in the positive side.
Yeah.
Pineapple,
Effort.
medyo effort.
Effort.
Yeah, yung experience niya is not
Sobrang
as
effort.
Pero yun yung mga nagtitinda ng pinya.
Na ang galing nung nila, nung skills nila to
Oo.
Tanggal
nila lahat ng
nung seeds na
nung
yung
mata.
mga eyes.
Yung mga mata.
Oo.
Tapos parang, and then, matatanggal nila na konti lang yung sayang.
Oo.
Yung nasa sayang.
Yeah,
Oh.
that's, oh my God, mastery.
Mastery.
That's wild. Like, grabe yung skills nun.
Oo. Grabe, di ba? Parang na-appreciate natin yung like, let's say sa Japan, yung mga nagsusushi and stuff. Like,
pero
grabe.
ito, pineapples.
Guys,
we have
labas
that.
lang kayo yung nagsaslice ng pinya. Grabe! Ang
Kahit
galing
nga
nun.
yung coconut lang eh. Alam
Ba't
mo
ka ba
yun, like ano na
magja-Japan?
siya.
Marami dito yung life skills.
Yes. Yung sleight
mga
of hand
ninja
nila
rin
is
tayo.
very
Oo,
ano.
yan yung fruit ninja. Yan yung fruit ninja.
Totoo.
Yeah, like, that's it.
Maganda
Anyway,
siya.
but
High effort.
would you put it positive? Like, look, more effort. Like,
Sobrang
Yeah.
effort.
It's
Dude, bigyan mo
real-
ko ng...
it's
Dito sa
high.
left.
Bigyan kita ng
Sorry.
pinya ngayon. Hindi mo siya makakain in the next minute.
Bigyan ng pinya. Oh, ano ba yung test natin? Yung test natin is if may 3-year-old, may toddler, nabibigyan mo. Eat it. Kainin mo yan. Figure it out.
Kainin mo
To be
yan.
fair, maraming ang fruits na pwede. Like strawberry, technically pwede pa eh. Kasi subo lang yun, diba? But like-
Pinya hindi.
Pinya hindi.
Subong mo yung pinya.
Susugatan ka pa, may danger
Yeah,
pa yun.
yeah,
Ang
yeah.
sakit.
So,
Oo.
I think, pinya, a bit more. Your
Yeah,
experience, it's a struggle.
Yeah, I feel like
But-
it's closer to the edge na siya eh. Ano pa bang mas mahirap sa pinya? Durian. Like, mga ganun
mga
na lang.
That's their, but the reward-wise,
Buko.
the
Very hard wise.
parang all that effort to reward, would you say it's positive? Sa taas siya? Or?
Feel ko rewarding naman siya.
I'd say rewarding.
I feel...
But not, hindi siya super
Hindi siya
taas.
max.
super
Oo.
reward.
Kasi yung nakakain mo lang, well,
O sa bagay,
debatable.
yung
nasa
gitna
side.
hindi rin.
Yung gitna
Oo,
hindi rin.
Yung gitna hindi rin. So,
So,
parang mas konti.
I'd say like 50%.
Yung reward ba natin is like edible portion? Like ratio
rin.
of okay.
Yun nga, reward, like
Plus
what you get out of
Utilization
it.
pala to.
With the effort that
Oo.
I
you-
see.
Yung effort na ginawa mo, tapos ay, ito lang pala.
Grabe
Yeah,
yun.
yeah.
Dami natin naisip sa pinya.
Ano yung sa buko?
Buko is high effort.
High But not as...
pinya.
Oo.
A little
Medyo,
less.
kasi may kailangan ng special
itak.
tool. for
Hindi,
it.
oo nga. Pero yun yung example ko na mas rewarding kaysa pinya.
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
Yeah.
Oo.
Kasi may juice ka na, tapos may ano ka
Oo,
pa,
may-
may meat ka pa.
It's a meal. Guys, it's a meal. Oo.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Pwede, tapos yung kutsara mo, kunin mo rin. Carve out mo sa
Yeah. O, tapos after nun, pwede mo pang gamitin yung husk, pang linis ng bahay.
A versatile fruit.
A versatile fruit.
Pero kung
Very
bigyan mo yan sa
rewarding.
toddler, kainin mo yan.
Toddler test. Kainin mo to.
Yan pala yung ano talaga.
So, definitely,
yung
nasa ano
x-axis
siya.
natin.
Kahit bigyan mo yan
Negative.
sa akin, di ka
Bakit din? Kahit hindi pala toddler.
Kahit sa isang working
Basta tayo
nanay.
lang.
Working professional, ibigay mo yung buko.
Mataas.
Oo nga.
Pero may killing hazard din yung buko.
Oh, yes.
Di ba?
Actually.
Yes.
So, sobrang effort.
Yeah, actually.
Hazardous na siya.
Would you
Nakamatay.
say mas dangerous ang buko than pinya?
Oo.
In
Oo.
term.
Oh,
O kasi pwede mahulog
Sa
sa
ulo, sa ulo mo eh.
Exactly.
Ano yung
Pwede
pinya?
kang maano, pwede kang ma-hit.
Ay, yung pinya kung naglalakad ka sa pineapple
Ano,
farm, tapos nadapa ka.
Nadapa
tas-
ka. Hindi ka naman. Sa mata.
I think it's not a pineapple
Pero,
problem.
okay. So, pineapples kasi, hindi mo kailangan akyatin yung
Hindi,
that's
hindi.
yung
Okay.
tree.
Oo,
Dito,
oo,
traditionally, like, inaakyat pa siya, di ba? I mean, there might be better ways now because technology, but like, you know, traditionally.
Basta
Nag-iisip
effort.
ako ng technological ways to get buko. ng drone, no?
Kaya niya ba? Hulugan pa rin yung taong nagdadrive
Oo.
ng drone.
Yeah. Anyway.
Okay.
High effort,
Okay,
So,
okay.
high
High
reward.
effort, high reward.
High effort but higher reward.
Okay,
Than
okay.
pineapple.
Then, fine.
So we had mango, banana. I think yung mga mention natin is buko. Strawberry,
Strawberry is
low effort,
low effort. Actually, I'd say it's high reward.
high reward.
Kasi like in terms of like like medyo mas sophisticated yung mga recipes na magagawa mo with strawberry than like I don't know, it feels more luxurious as a fruit.
And
If
parang
I'm
wala kang
thinking about it.
seeds
Is it
na
like our
Wala ka nang isiping
sabag-
seeds,
Oo
diba?
nga. At least low effort.
Yeah.
Low effort.
You can give it to a baby and they can bite it.
Oo, yung sa strawberry lang.
Toddler pala, wag baby.
May magkakaroon tayo ng third
5 years
dimension na accessibility eh.
Ah.
Mahirap lang siyang, i-produce.
No,
Not here.
but if you remove,
Kung wala
na-
yun, kung wala yun.
Kasi
Wala
parang,
yung regional
hindi, mahirap din, like, wala namang, may coconut tree sa gitna ng EDSA or something.
That's true. That's true.
So I think, maybe we can, remove that part. But
ganun
it's really, yung tipong
Yes.
when you have it,
Andyan na
how
siya.
hard is it
Yes,
to
yes, yes.
enjoy
It's
the
very
fruits?
easy. Very
Quite.
easy.
Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Quite.
Fruits of
Wow!
it.
Wow! I see what you did there. Let's go.
Yeah.
Ako mag-edit nito sa may sparkle.
Fruit Ninja.
May,
Fruits of your labor. Fruits of your labor.
fruits?
Yeah.
Yes.
Tama.
Fruit of the labor.
Of the labor.
Fruit of the labor?
Fruits of labor.
Labor Day of Fruit.
Yeah. Anyway, so strawberry is rewarding and easy. Low
Quite.
effort.
So,
Quite.
Ano pa ba
mataas
yung
siya.
mga other fruits? Santol.
Oh my God. Santol is mahirap.
Choking hazard.
Mahirap. Oo nga.
Santol yung, nako-confuse ako. City girl alert. Na-confuse ako sa difference ng Santol at Chico. Which one's the bigger one?
Santol.
Santol's the bigger one.
Yeah.
Chico's the small brown
Yeah,
ones.
yeah,
But they're
yeah.
both circle.
Yes.
Brown circles.
Brown
Yes,
circles,
yes, yes,
diba?
they're
Okay,
brown,
okay.
brown
We're
circles.
talking about the small ones.
Kung
The
nasa
big one.
We're talking about the big one.
big one. Kung nasa elementary ka, and ipapadraw ka ng basket of fruits, they would look the same. Kasi brown. Circle na marami na brown. Yung isa malaki, maliit.
O, maglagay ka na ng lansones para meron ka pang
Isa pa,
smaller
Lansones
na
is smaller pa,
yeah,
diba?
yeah.
Tapos
okay.
sinabihan ka ng teacher na mag-drawing ka ng 3 klaseng fruits. Tapos
Ayan
nung pagpasa mo,
Oh.
3 brown. Iba-iba yung size.
Excuse me, wala
Excuse
silang
me.
sinabi.
Oo.
Tama yun.
Tama.
Tama yun.
That kid
Love
is
local.
good. Oo.
Love local.
Monochromatic,
Yes.
rin.
Good sense
Pinag-isipan
of
yung colors.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry. I'm
Oh.
just...
It's okay. I know what we're talking about now.
Okay, Santol.
Alam ko
Pero
na yun.
honestly, hindi ako masyadong, mas madalas ako kumain ng Chico kaysa sa Santol. So, yung experience ng Santol for me has always just been like, hindi ko kasi siya alam kainin.
You also need the knife.
Yeah,
to-
you chop it and
Oo.
Pero yun na yun. Pag,
Hindi kasi you can
Ay,
eat
di ba?
yung well, you have to peel it din. Kasi,
Okay.
yung ano niya, yung labas, pwede mong kainin yun eh.
Oh!
Yung brown.
Talaga?
Oh!
Yeah, yun yung parang maasim na part.
Oh! Hindi
Tapos
ko alam
yung,
yun.
parang siyang ano, you eat that part. Tapos yung sa loob, yung matamis. So parang you kind of play around with it na like, okay, I'll get a few of yung parts na.
Oh, yan o, titimplahin mo yung ano,
Tapos yung
flavors
put it
niya.
with salt.
So
So same lang, you have a sour thing,
Ganun
the
din.
salt.
I
And
see.
then yung ano niya, the sweet part na, yung sa seed. Yun na yung after mo. Parang it's an experience.
It's
yung
not
sandal.
super
But it's not,
rewarding.
it's not
and
super rewarding.
It's not so medyo high effort. Plus,
High risk.
High risk. Choking hazard.
Yes, may ano ako dyan. May story ako dyan sa... I think every Pinoy kid na grew up with santol and the first time nila.
Kumain.
So they were enjoying it too much. Masyadong nasarapan kasi mas tamis eh. Tamis. And then nakain yung... nalunok yung seed.
Oh my God.
Nalunok yung seed. Tapos naalala ko talaga sila. Parang nagpanic ako. Like, ano mangyayari? And I think a lot of kids have this. Tutubo na yan. Kailangan uminom ka ng maraming tubig para malabas. Lalala. Tapos parang, oh my God. As a kid, as a 6-year-old kid, I'm like...
Ganyan na ako with watermelon before. Kasi diba, syempre, like mga kakain ka
seeds.
ng watermelon seeds. Oo, kasi mahirap
Tutubo
magbuto
na
din
yan.
eh. Ng ano.
Pero for some reason, na-feel ko na yung watermelon seeds,
Okay
mamemelt siya. Or madadayos. Kasi maliit.
Okay.
Pero ang
Isantol.
buo kasi eh. Yung throat ko as a kid, napuno.
Mabagal.
Oh, ito pala yung feeling ni Darna.
Oh,
Dapat
watermelon.
pala,
Saan siya?
watermelon.
Oh.
Watermelon is high effort. Very high effort kasi you also need to chop it.
Yes.
Pero less than pineapple.
Yes,
Less
definitely.
naman. Less than pineapple.
Yes.
Pero may added effort din na yung buto kasi tatanggalin mo eh. While you're eating
You don't
it
have
even
to.
Yeah. Medyo
Don't have to.
ma-effort lang siya. I'd
You eat
say,
the seeds?
Oh,
I'd say it's in the
okay lang.
middle. Somewhere in the
Middle
middle in
effort.
terms of effort.
yung effort ng watermelon, yung bigat niya.
Oh,
yeah,
yun.
yeah.
Effort din
And like
yun.
chopping it talaga. Like you can't use a small knife.
No.
Hindi,
Yeah,
tapos medyo high commitment fruit siya eh.
Kasi ang laki.
Once you open it,
Yun na,
ubusin natin
kailangan
to.
na. Hindi
It
you can
gets-
keep it.
Oo, kasi
It's a party fruit.
kahit
Yung
ilagay
pangit
mo
na
sa
if soggy, yeah.
Yeah. So, middle,
Okay.
tapos...
Middle. The reward,
Reward
is
is
also...
really rewarding naman.
Yeah, masarap siya eh. But then, that wasn't our scale nga pala.
No, it's rewarding in terms of like, it satisfy like yung ano. And a lot. Like, you can consume a big part of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Na-realize ko lang, hindi pala natin tinatrack yung mga fruits. Hindi natin
Hindi sa review
sinusulat.
na lang yan. That's the job of...
That's a job of the editors. Which is kami rin. Uy, Sam, kasama ka.
Sa short
we'll
form po.
rewatch and then we'll do
Yes.
that.
Or baka, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll figure it out.
We'll do it live!
We'll do it live.
Yeah.
Ay.
Ano ba yung...
Ano pa ba?
Ito na naman ako.
Ano pa
Nag-iisip
bang
ko ng
low reward?
Oh, low reward.
Aratilis.
Aratilis.
Yung mga maliliit na, I don't know if you've eaten it, pero it comes in like super small fruit lang niya. Like, technically low effort kasi pipisilin mo lang siya.
Ano
Tapos
kung maliit lang yun
sisipsipin
eh.
mo siya.
Diba?
Yeah. Tapos low reward din kasi sobrang liit and you barely eat anything.
Mm.
So it's like low effort but also low,
Low
reward. Yun
So,
na
ano lang,
example.
sakto lang.
Yeah, sakto lang.
Oo.
Wala
Hindi,
ka masyadong,
low,
like, hindi mo siya
proportional.
hanap. Yeah,
Proportional
proportional.
towards, ano.
At least, hindi ka masyado nag-effort. Pero, onti lang din yung nakuha mo. Like,
Okay.
it's okay.
So that's gonna be
It's
like
okay.
in the lower half. Like,
Yeah.
low F.
Andun na siya. Dun sa quadrant na yun. Hindi pa natin nagagalaw eh. Yung low effort tsaka low effort and low reward. Ano bang high effort, low reward?
High effort, low
Atis.
reward.
Atis.
Mabuto. Oh my God. Rambutan.
Huh?
That's okay. It's just weird looking.
Oh.
Pero hindi siya
Yan, I grew up with
Rambutan.
rambutan. May rambutan din kami sa bahay.
Yung effort yung hawakan siya.
Yun pala yun.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman, it's okay.
It's
Madali
literally-
lang, madali
it's
lang.
Madali
peaceful.
lang, madali siya.
No, pero may buto.
But the baby
and-
can't
May buto
squeeze it
siya.
open.
Bigyan mo yan sa baby eh.
No. Medyo may effort. May ano siya eh. May parang,
Mid-effort.
kailangan mo makuha yung ano eh.
May
tamang
grip,
ano eh.
may grip.
Hanapin mo yung ano. Saan bubutas? Okay. Okay. I think same as lanzones. Rambutan lanzones.
Same
level.
ano nga. Oo nga.
Kasi
Yung pagka-rewarding
kailangan
nila.
mo rin, same ano sila eh. Parang kailangan mo sila i-open.
Yeah.
You don't need the tool. Your hands.
Yung ayoko sa lanzones, pag maliit yung buto, mapait. Like,
Yeah. So
meron siyang trap.
So kung itatabi natin yung rambutan and lanzones,
Lanzones.
same effort.
Same effort. Yung reward mas maliit sa lanzones.
I'd say middle, a bit
Mid
middle.
ba?
Or like,
Mid-reward?
parang a bit more effort than a watermelon, for sure.
That's true.
Ay,
No,
hindi.
for sure. Oo, more effort. Ay, less effort
Less
pala.
effort
Sorry,
than
sorry.
watermelon.
Less effort.
Kasi
yeah.
kailangan mo ng knife.
Whiteboard
Ah.
tayo dito eh.
Ay, sorry, wala pang budget.
Ano ba?
Wala pang revenue.
Wala pang revenue
Walang
eh.
ad.
Kailangan natin lagyan ng ads.
Yun. So, a bit less effort. Pero reward niya, more rewarding si rambutan just cause
Kay lanzones.
lanzones.
Feeling ko din.
Kasi
Dahil
may
dun sa buto aspect nung ano eh.
Hindi,
nung-
tas sa lanzones, hindi mo siya, di ba rambutan pagka-open mo, diretso na
Okay
yun.
na. oo.
Yung lanzones, may ano pa yun eh.
Tatanggalin mo yung ano. Isa-select mo kung
Select.
anong parts
Oo.
yung
Tapos kung may
kainin
isang
mo.
part na medyo ano na, di na pwede, di
tanggal
mo pa
na,
and
oo.
stuff. So, may
May
additional
effort
step
din
siya. May additional step si lanzones.
May onting
How
effort.
about guava?
Oh,
Hindi ko alam paano kumain ng guava actually.
It's,
So, si Regaral daw
Sorry,
sa guava.
wala.
So, ano siya eh. So, ganun siya, you cut it. And then, pero,
mayabas.
Mayabas.
malapad yung
Uh-huh.
area na may seeds. Pero
Uh-huh.
pwede mo rin yun kainin.
Uh-huh.
Tsaka okay lang kainin yung seeds. talaga.
Parang
Pero matigas eh.
Yeah,
Matigas. Pero okay lang, hindi siya tutubo.
hindi siya tutubo.
Aha.
Pero ako, I don't like eating the seeds. So for me, konti lang yung reward. Kasi
So may ano siya, may, depende rin sa preference.
depende.
No,
Pero as we've been talking about, like, some people like seeds, some people don't like
Yeah.
seeds.
Mm.
So there's that. So,
Pero kailangan mo ng knife din.
Kailangan mo ng knife.
Bubuksan mo.
pero yun na yun.
So like
Once-
mid-effort,
Yeah.
low reward?
It
or
is
mid-reward?
medium reward, I feel.
Medium reward.
Low effort, I think. Pero may ganun. Guava.
Orange.
High
Mahirapan
effort.
talaga tayo nito.
Orange? Oo nga eh.
Ano?
Orange.
High effort. Wala kang ano, kamay mo lang ah.
Pwede.
High effort.
Kaya siyang i-peel.
Medium effort.
But
Sa
the
bagay, you feel
reward,
Ay,
Hindi ba rewarding? No
I
one
mean,
likes
wala-
orange.
I
malaki
think it's
naman na.
rewarding.
No?
Orange siya, yung
Yeah.
malaki. Hindi mga
Ah.
cat-cat.
Yeah.
Cat-cat, low effort, low reward.
Oo
Ay,
nga.
High effort. Ay, hindi, parang mid-effort, pero low reward.
oo.
Orange
low
is
reward
like
si Cat Cat.
mid-effort. Same effort lang. Kasi
same
same thing na
effort.
ano. But
Yeah.
like, a
Higher
bit more.
reward.
Kasi
Higher
mga orange,
reward.
mga malaking orange. So, ang ano, matigas eh. Yung
Ah.
mahirap siyang balatin
Yeah.
with your hands.
And then, iba pa yung ano, if we're gonna go with the seedless or not.
seeds.
Then.
Aha.
And then,
Full
that
seedless.
changes the effort. But let's
Oo.
just assume na yung
May versions yan.
may seed. Oo. Yeah.
Grapes!
Yan na naman, seeds.
I love grapes.
Basta
I love
seedless.
grapes.
Dali lang eh.
Sobrang low effort.
Low
Babies
effort.
can
Low
eat it.
effort.
Toddlers can eat it.
Toddlers can eat it.
Sobrang
Basta
low effort.
seedless.
Pero,
Basta
basta
seedless.
seedless.
Wait, they can't consume too much din, di ba?
Grapes? Talaga?
Hindi ba yun? Yun yung ba?
Seeds. Yun yung don't.
Di ba yung may
swallow
ano?
the seeds.
Parang may alcohol ano ba?
The
seed?
wine thing.
What?
Feel ko not,
No.
like
Not as
feeling ko
much.
kailangan mong mag-down ng isang buong.
No,
Yeah,
grapes are very high sugar.
High sugar.
As in sobra. Then high
Ah.
sugar yung grapes.
Okay, but I think that's the one na low effort, high reward.
Yeah.
Very low effort.
Very
effort.
rewarding din, I
May
think.
konting effort para magbit ka ng seeds.
Oo. Para magtanggal ng
Pero
Kahit
yun
may
lang.
seeds. But it's not that, it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Mga-
Oh man, hindi ko qualified for this discussion.
Dragon
Like,
fruit.
I don't know how to eat dragon fruit. I don't know how to eat guyabano.
Dragon fruit,
ako din,
you
yeah,
open
okay
it
lang.
lang.
Yeah. Slicing.
Parang
It's like
slice it lang.
watermelon din, but you don't have to take the seeds out.
Ganun lang siya.
Oo.
So, I think lahat ng mga citrus, like,
Oo.
magpo-fall
grapefruit,
din siya
lemon.
ng same. Let's say, suha.
Oh,
Ganun din
Oh,
siya.
that's that's higher effort than orange.
High effort.
Higher
High
effort. Grabe yung effort niya.
Grabe. Hindi mo yan magamit sa
Yeah.
kamay mo. Try
Imagine,
mo.
sinash mo lang. Tapos the first kain mo,
Ikaw na,
subo mo
ganun
agad.
ka na.
Parang,
Oo.
kailangan mo tanggalin yung pa yung mga
Oo.
Oo.
yung skin.
Yung
Yeah.
suka, sige, kahit na hiniwa mo talaga.
Pero high reward.
High reward.
I think
I'd
it's,
say it's high
ano naman,
reward.
proportional
Sulit
to the
siya.
effort. Oh, so
Yeah.
Pero minsan, ewan ko, kapag pait, talaga, hindi ka na super happy
get.
Hindi ka
So
na ganun ka
but
happy.
we're assuming naman na we're
Peak.
taking
Peak
Preference.
flavor.
we're having the standard version ng mga fruits.
Standard
Yeah.
Kasi pwede rin pwede rin naman yung watermelon, hindi rin matamis. So parang
Low reward.
Lower reward.
I think iba pang dimension yun. Yung ano
Oo.
ba yung
Likelihood
volatility.
of
Nako! The chances hit or miss.
consistency.
That's
Yeah.
another. Pero isa atin lang. Assume
Yeah.
lang. Assume the usual
Prime state.
stuff. Oo, yung tipong nakikita mo sa
Optimal.
movies. Whatever it tastes like in the movies, that's it.
Kasi nalalasahan mo yun nasa movie.
Yeah, like how they show it, that's it.
Oh my God. What about the berries? Like blueberries, cherries, ganon.
I think,
I-
don't they fall, parang
I don't
grapes na rin
experience
yun.
it
I don't
enough
experience it in
to
my
have a
life.
good opinion.
Masaya yung cherries. Like yung cherries na hindi binabad sa syrup. Like actual cherries na...
I think that's just from the description. Again,
Yeah.
like, not from experience because I don't
No berries here.
not as enough data points
Yep.
Yeah.
for it.
Yeah.
Parang
Ano ba?
low effort.
Low effort. Well, yung cherries kasi may buto. So, like, iluluwa mo din yung buto.
Cherries are so rare though, I think.
Yeah.
Especially,
It's
siya.
rare here.
Like,
Especially
yeah.
here
Shout
sa
out.
tropical.
Yeah.
Rare siya.
Alam mo bang mga fruits natin dito? Durian. O, ilabas na natin yung durian.
Ugh.
Hindi ako marunong kumain ng durian. I'm just saying it now. I don't know how you slice it. I don't know how you eat it. I've only ever eaten durian flavored stuff.
Parang siya, like, habat langka. Alam mo
Langka, yeah. Ganun din.
Very similar din sila.
Yuck.
Pero
Parang
yung langka,
kailangan mo rin
not from
buksan.
the raw fruit, hindi ko alam. Like,
okay.
lagi ko
Laging
siya nakikita na
nakatanggal.
na.
Pero pag binuksan mo na parang, makakuha mo lang siya, di ba?
Pero kailangan mong
May pieces of it na.
may parang chunks na
Oo.
So,
Parang orange. Yung
Same-
naka-
same
So
sa
it's
ano.
it's not as
Same
hard
lang sa
as
langka.
pineapple. Or harder
Oh,
than
you don't
Oo.
may may effort of like going through it. Tatanggalin mo kasi yung
Pero hindi na
mga
siya yung kailangan.
yung
mo,
mga
ganun.
yung mga fiber na parts. Kailangan mo tanggalin. Pero it's same lang sa langka. But
I'm gone. I have a next
so
fruit.
I think I'll group them together as very high effort and then the reward is I'd say mataas din yung reward naman.
Kasi masarap.
Oo, kasi and then a big part of it din ako consume naman.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, kailangan mo lang yun ng like special tool to open it. Tapos once you open it, you can use your hands na to just go through it.
I have a fruit to bring up and it's
Oh.
like the picture fruit in the dictionary.
Oh.
Apples.
Oh, right.
What about
How have we
apples?
not
How we
spoken
not
about apples? Kanina
Oo nga,
lang
no?
with the vinegar thing.
Clearly,
But like,
clearly not part of our apples
Mga
for
fruit.
me.
Do we grow apples? We can't grow
We can't.
apples here. We
We
can't
can't.
grow
Not
apples here.
here.
No, everything's as in yung mga Fuji apples from
okay.
China.
Okay, apple.
Oh my God. Apple. Same effort, I would say, as oranges also. Because you also have to chop it.
But you don't have to peel it.
Sa bagay.
Wala yung peeling
eat it.
step.
Sa
You can just
bagay,
eat
pwede
it.
mo na siyang
Oh,
kainin na.
again, nasa movies.
Sorry. so, lagi ko
Tsaka,
kasi
pag
hinihiwa
na-
yung apple.
Tsaka hindi,
Halata.
pag naabutan mo na yung buto, okay lang. Like, siya na yung
Yeah.
natira eh. It's not
then
something you
you-
actively have
A toddler
to...
can eat it still.
Kuha mo yung middle
Maybe
part.
a toddler with more teeth.
Yeah.
With teeth.
Parang kinakabahan ako sa baby teeth ng ano. Pag ganun niya,
Maybe.
nawala.
Maybe a bit
dun sa
older.
I see.
Diba? Low
Okay.
effort, high reward?
Low effort.
Yeah, definitely. Lower
Yeah.
effort and like a high reward. It's hindi siya hindi siya proportional.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Apple.
Okay.
Yeah.
Low effort, high
Yeah.
reward. Fair.
You can consume it without special tools.
Yeah.
Diba? Oo.
I don't know why I like...
seeds niya, naiwasan.
Yeah.
Actually, yung well, same as strawberry, yung tipong, when you get it, you can
can eat
hugasan mo naman with water.
Yeah.
Come on,
I mean,
guys.
with all fruits.
With all fruits.
Wash your fruits, guys. Yeah. So technically, you can eat it without using any tools. So,
Yeah.
okay
Same
siya.
as strawberry.
Lower effort.
Diretso.
Oh, did you know that cyanide is made from apples?
Cyanide?
Yeah.
I did not know that.
How?
Yeah. I think you use the apple seed.
Oh.
You can fact check me, pero
Cyanide.
genuinely, you
So
won't
we can-
eat cyanide if you eat apples. Pero
What if
galing
I eat the
apples
seeds?
yung cyanide.
Nako,
May chemical
sayang,
reactions
favorite
eh.
ko naman yung
Cyanide? Joke.
favorite ko pa naman yung core. Yung seeds. Ako yung kumakain ng apple na, yung labas hindi ko kinakain, pero yung loob lang.
Oh my God. I
So,
want the core. I
Yung
want the
core.
core.
Yun talaga yung pinaka, may crunch eh. May texture eh.
Ay, crunch yung ipin mo.
Oo. Iba.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know if that's a myth or anything, pero
Yeah, we'll just
Fact
check.
check.
we'll fact check.
Yeah.
Dami lang yung fact check. Si
Oo,
Banana
dami.
and si Apple.
Oo.
Oo nga pala, no? Yeah.
Dami natin pag-usapan ni just fruits.
Oo nga eh. I feel like on the topic of apples, hindi ako masyadong apple fan, but I am a pear fan.
Huh? What? Pears? Walang lasa yung
What?
pear.
I love pears! What?
Walang
More than
lasa yung
apples.
pear,
Mas may lasa yung
dude.
pear kesa sa
They're
apple.
the same.
Iyan lang natin yung yung effort to
Ah.
reward. Same as Apple.
It's the same.
Same.
Ibang
They're the
Okay,
same.
back to the
Hindi ba siya mas rewarding? Bias kasi gusto lang pear.
I don't know, dude. Like, wala lang siyang lasa.
What? Really? I prefer pears
Yeah.
over apples. Kasi yung apple yung mas walang lasa for me. Ano bang apple kinakain ko?
Ano apple dun?
Baka hindi Fuji apples yung kain mo.
Yeah, but what? Pear?
Hindi ako mahilig
pear
sa
is
apple.
Bigyan natin
always
si
yun.
Sam ng apples. Baka kailangan lang yan.
Okay,
ng
after
ano.
this, later let's
Exposure.
go to a grocery and like
Sige,
just
Punta na
let's
lang
buy a
tayo.
pear and apple.
I think Sam doesn't know the difference between a pear and an apple. Baka swinap
They're
lang
the same.
Sam, are you
Colorblind?
niya.
Ano?
Shape blind.
Di ba
No,
pears
no.
are red?
Oh no, we gotta talk about this after. I feel like we need to reorient.
We need an intervention.
To be fair, masyadong similar naman talaga
Totoo
yung
naman,
dalawa.
totoo.
You
Yeah.
know,
Kung bigay mo yun sa bata,
Yeah.
makakonfuse yun.
yes.
Hindi kaya. Shape nung pear. Iba yung shape niya.
Oo nga, anong apple yung kinukuha natin na pareho sa apple yung shape?
Yung Japanese pear mukhang apple.
Hindi,
yung
kung
ganun.
nakaslice na.
Magkakamukha na sila.
Actually, if i-slice mo na into cubes,
Nakaslice na, same
they
na
all
sila.
look the same.
Oh. Oh my God! Peaches. Ay, hindi ko alam paano mag-slice ng peach.
Peaches?
Kasi naka-ano na sa akin, nakapack na yung peach.
I'll file it under not enough experience
I
to
don't-
give an
I know
good
what it
opinion.
looks like. It's fuzzy.
Yeah, it's fuzzy. It's like a little, like, cute fruit. Pero, hindi ko rin alam paano siya kainin from the raw fruit. Like, lagi siyang packaged peaches na for
Girl,
me.
nakakain ba yun? Diretso?
No.
I don't know.
I think
I
you
don't know
always have
what
to-
peaches taste like na hindi babad
Like,
sa syrup.
Oh, can you just eat it?
I think so.
Don't you always have to like cook it first?
Talaga? May
Peach?
niluluto.
No,
Ano?
di man luto.
Or like, babad sa something.
Oo.
Ganun.
I don't know. See,
Okay,
this
okay,
is
fine, okay,
hindi
fine.
siya
No exposure.
natural fruit in the Philippines.
Okay.
Damn,
So,
wala peach halves lang alam ko eh.
yeah, so we cannot give
Fruit
a good
cocktail lang
enough
alam ko.
opinion on this.
Ano bang nasa fruit salad?
Peach.
Peach nga.
Wait,
Ay,
that's
fruit cocktail. Sorry.
Papaya!
Oh, dude, I hate papaya.
Oh.
Really? I like papaya.
Girl, I like
papaya is
papaya.
okay.
Ang baho kasi ng papaya.
Well,
Oh.
Amoy utot.
well,
Well,
pag hindi siya fresh,
hindi siya fresh.
ano. I
Manila.
like papaya.
Yeah. I can't, like, alam ko pag kinain mo na, parang it's nice. Pero yung
Yeah.
andun
Yung
siya
amoy.
bare.
No,
like,
I've heard other people na ganun din.
Ganun
yung
din.
ano.
Yeah, nag-a-attract ng langaw. Yun ang
Oo.
ano. I
Tsaka
feel
yung
like it's
itsura
the
pa niya,
smell.
yung mga seeds niya.
Yeah, the seeds are icky.
Again,
Icky siya
in a
tingnan.
movie, kung gusto mo mag-depict ng spoiled fruit stuff, may papaya din.
Ay, pa.
Hindi,
Seeds lang
hindi
yan.
yung parang, alam mo yung parang if you put like mga, ano na, parang, hindi, spoiled na mga fruit
Yeah, if you want to draw out or like
So
usually
keep
yung
it
punta
there.
banana there. Even yung ano lang, yung the picture of
A fruit basket.
of
spoiled fruit image.
There yung
na.
papaya there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Yeah, papaya is I think high effort. I would say reward is kind
A
of
bit
medium.
low.
Yeah.
Medium.
Yung effort niya would just be a bit higher than ano. Kasi yung may kukunin mo pa yung mga buto din sa.
Yeah.
Pero yung madali nga yung pagkuha ng
Madali
Sabagay
naman,
kasi
no?
kutsara
Oo,
lang.
kutsara
no?
lang. So I'd say
Mabigat.
Feel ko
mid-high.
malaki lang din kasi
Mid-high.
siya. Mid to high.
mid to high, somewhere there. And then the
Effort.
reward is, kasi kuha mo na yung lahat eh.
Oo.
Medium.
Almost skin na lang yung matitira
Yeah.
after. So, quite high reward.
Hindi ko natetest yung ano ko eh.
Medium.
Like, how many fruits do I know?
How many fruits have we
May
eaten?
mga comment na, ba't di nyo,
Binanggit
binanggit
to,
yung
blah, blah,
ganito?
Guys,
Melon.
We did not prepare for
Di nyo
these podcasts.
binanggit. We never prepare.
We don't come here with like, okay,
A
Erica,
catalog of fruit.
dapat may 5 kang fruits kasi
Wala.
yun yung airtime, ganun.
Girl,
Dapat
itong
5.
podcast na to, live test of intelligence to.
Yeah, we're
Akala
just-
nyo.
So, we apologize to our valued
I don't.
Customers.
hindi. We
I don't.
apologize to our valued
Listeners.
customers, listeners. We can't do everything. We're not
We can.
perfect.
We are.
Okay?
We're not perfect.
Yeah.
We are.
We're just a little bit
channel
fruity, you know?
channel that drive or
We're
that
always
want
right.
for perfection
We're
to the
perfect.
government, not to us.
That's true.
We are just talking here
Yeah,
about fruits.
imagine like we're just having a conversation as friends.
As friends.
Tapos we're bringing you along with the ride.
You're
with the
getting
ride
with the ride.
the ride.
To the ride.
About the
In
ride.
the ride.
beyond the ride.
On the ride.
On
And
the-
you're getting this quality content for free.
for free.
Okay?
Yeah.
Remember that.
Yeah. Anyway.
I feel like it's time for us to
I
end.
think you're done. Kasi wala na tayong maisip. But like, that was fun. Just thinking about it. Marami akong na-unlock na parang
Memories.
memories.
Childhood
Ano,
memories.
yung mga ganun na experience.
Okay.
When I was struggling with santol.
Wait, you know what? I realized we never placed mango. Did we?
We did. That's the first one. That's the first girl.
First girl.
Well, I thought the first one was banana. That we
No.
placed.
Mango was like so boring. She only took 2 seconds because it was such a dead
wait, saan
giveaway.
siya? High effort.
No, low effort, high reward.
It's... Oh, ano?
We didn't place it. We didn't place it.
I will watch
Okay,
this also.
okay. Last mango.
Mango.
But what kind of mango though?
Yung ano lang,
ito, I
the-
think normal mangoes
Kalabaw.
natin.
Again, the
na
move,
ano.
the mango in the movie. The movie.
The movie mango.
No, but like any movie
Okay,
mangoes.
ano ba yung
I mean,
process niya? You have to like slice it.
High effort.
Pero
Yeah.
pwede rin yung
high
peel.
effort
High
din
effort.
siya.
You can
It's a
just eat it with your hands. Or wait, I
If you give it to a
guess.
Pwede
baby,
naman technically.
they
Wala.
can't.
They
just
can't. Hindi
scrape.
nila pwedeng kagatin.
Ah.
Okay, so medium-ish
medium-
effort.
medium effort.
Yeah. Kasi
But-
yung buto din eh. Like, you
Yung
know,
buto.
you have to, Yeah.
But the reward is like,
very rewarding.
Very rewarding.
Very rewarding.
but not as high.
Wait,
Sa bagay kasi may buto.
Kasi may buto eh.
I have
Aha.
personal questions.
Mm.
How do you eat your mangoes?
Normal slice.
I slice into the 3
Okay.
sections.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. The Trinity.
The Trinity.
And then,
The sandwich.
Yun, tapos
oh, and then,
spoon.
spoon each. And then, do you eat the buto
Yeah.
Yeah, kamay.
without
Oh.
a spoon?
Without the spoon.
Yeah. Kamay na.
Kamay na. Hindi kasi yung sa spoon, more of, para, minsan kasi may part na medyo may fiber or
Uh,
bad part. At
you
least,
you hold
na,
it.
ano mo eh. Oh.
You hold it. Okay.
Yeah.
Ganun.
Same.
Same.
Okay.
I know there's the, yung...
I like the hati.
Yeah, yung bas.
Yung ano, pwede mo siyang...
Pwede siyang ganun.
When I'm feeling a little quirky, I also do that. Yung parang,
Oh, I have free will.
pare-pareho na lang tong mangga. Para naman exciting gawin kong grid. Tapos gaganon
Kaya!
yung yung parang yung reveal. Tapos isa-isain mo, di ba? Isa-isain mo, pero yung yung mouse mo, daming yellow dito.
Tsaka nagmamantsa pa yun and stuff.
If walang tao, no, and it's like, I'm at home, I have free will.
Have you seen people eat it na yung binalatan lang and then diretso na?
I've done that.
Yeah,
I've done
then.
that.
If
Like-
I'm getting lazy with the holy,
Yeah.
the trio.
Yeah. There's a way.
Kasi kailangan I'm in a certain mood to do that.
Iba-iba, depende sa mood. How you consume your
pag wala
mango.
ng choice, that's what I do. Typically, slice talaga. Pero
Ano yung-
saka ko lang siya babalatan pag wala akong pang slice.
Kung yung pinakatamad na version is I just peel it, tapos
Yun na! Yan.
Yung pinakatamad na walang ibang tao, nobody will judge me.
Yeah.
And if in a bit more of a social setting with other people,
Meron
yung
naman,
spoon technique,
okay.
the trio,
Spoon technique.
and then yung seed, no, we do not do the seed. Kasi medyo mano eh.
Only in private.
Oh, yeah, especially if wala kang access to a sink. Guys, ang hirap linisin yung kamay mo.
True. Tsaka mukha mo.
Magwe-wet wipes
Tsaka yung
ka
mukha
after
mo.
kainin yung ano.
High effort.
Hassle, bro. Hassle. I mean, props to you. You do that.
Good job.
But yun, if walang access, we do not touch the seed.
Yeah.
And then, yun, kung again, free will, if you're feeling a bit artistic, gawin mong grid, tapos boom! Tapos isa-isahin mo.
Yeah. Yun yung fun.
I
I feel
mean,
like
yung
gawin ko
baso.
rin yun for funsies.
You do that, tapos isa-slide mo sa baso para kunin mo lahat.
Do you like your
Oh,
mangoes
hindi ko
maasim or
ginagawa.
matamis?
Sweet.
I like, when I'm eating it, ayoko ng super tamis. Pero pag mango shake, gusto ko ng super tamis. Like, yung gusto ko mango shake is yung malapit na siyang mabulok. Like, papunta na siya dun. Like, as in,
Yung matamis na
mango
nga.
shake ko siya.
Oo,
Yeah, matamis.
super tamis.
pero when I'm eating it, medyo naiiki kasi ako pag yung papunta na siya dun. So, like, gusto ko yung may onting asim pa siya.
Okay.
You.
Okay. No, kapag yung the prime mango, matamis.
Prime
pero,
mango.
pero so I love Indian mangoes. Yung super asim.
I love
that.
Like talagang,
Pero
sobrang
yung
asim.
Indian mango, may bite siya eh. Hindi siya same consistency ng...
Hindi. Pero yung kaasiman.
Yeah,
yung
yeah,
asim
yeah.
factor.
Oo.
Yeah.
Asim kilig.
Asimness.
Yeah, iba. Iba rin siya eh. Pero and I'm thinking of mango as like the fruit. I usually go with the sweet.
Yeah,
I don't
you're right,
parang hindi ko kasi iniisip as reward after my meal yung
kasama nung
yung
ulam
hilaw
mo.
na
Appetizer yan eh. Appetizer.
or parang snack.
Merienda.
Oh,
Yeah.
Pero hindi ko rin maisip na snack yung ripe na mango.
It's
Kasi
a
dessert siya lagi.
Dessert siya. So parang
This is another episode.
Another episode.
Anyway,
Wait, I have one last question.
Okay,
I have
okay.
one last question because this always bothers me.
Yes.
What's the fruit we just talked about
manga.
Mango.
in English?
Mango.
Dude, because I hear some people say mango.
Yeah, that's a very
And-
Filipino
Yeah.
pronunciation, I
Like,
think.
is it... And like they say it with a straight face. I'm like, mango?
Mango.
Nice.
Like, it's when I like, mango. But it's with an A.
Yeah.
I mean, I get it. But it just doesn't happen with other fruits, you know?
Apple.
Hindi siya naman apple. I don't hear apple.
Right, it's ako kung ano pag-pronounce mo, it's fine,
Mango.
guys.
Kasi if you hear like the American accent,
Yeah.
it's not mango, it's mango.
Yeah, it's a mango.
So parang na ano,
It's a mango.
medyo na
So pag na-translate siya sa atin,
medyo-
mas closer to E na siya.
Yeah.
Like,
So the
mango.
Americans are wrong.
Mango.
yeah, it's just a product of us being through so many cultures and languages.
True.
So okay lang yun. And we end with that.
So we got a mango.
We got a
Yeah,
mango.
we got a mango.
So we're gonna
So watch out for our product Mangacha or
Or bananacha.
Sagingcha.
or gacha.
Bananacha.
Sagingcha.
Bananacha.
Ganana.
Let us know which one you want. But for now, I think we can end there.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed our exploration into the world of fruits.
Eat some fruit.
Eat
Yes,
some fruit. Eat
eat
your
some fruit.
fruits. Except mango, bawal sa diabetic. Bye.
Lahat naman. Ah.